let's start right now, right? How to make a website completely for free, lifetime, an e-commerce websites or a professional websites kind of thing, right? Which you can use. So let's start. Here is the platform which I'm talking about. That's Ecwid, which provides you, and it has in versions which are, it has free plan version where you get lifetime access for the free things, right? Let's get started, right? So your free stores is just a few click and all these things, but let me tell you, this is why it's perfect, because you can, with this app, with this Ecwid, you don't have to just sell on your website. You can sell it on Instagram, Google, Amazon, Facebook. Means every online platforms you can cover with this Ecwid completely for free actually, right? Let me show you here. Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon, right? You can just link it. If you know that sometimes if you go to the Instagram or something like, you definitely see these kind of ads on Google, right? Here on shopping page, right? When you search something and that shopping pops up, this is what you can add with Ecwid also, right? From there, here, no issues at all. And what I'm talking about in Instagram is, when if you know when you are something searching on Instagram and you directly saw a bag or something, a product picture, and if you saw there's a bag comes up, right, of shopping bag, by which it means you can buy something from directly from that, right? It redirects to the website's actual checkout page, and you just have to pay, and that's all it is. And that thing makes with Ecwid, right? So it's a very important thing. So let's start and see what's the plan here. It's in currently in Hindi. I don't know how why it's in rupees, but it's very low if you convert in. If you are from India, that's perfect for you. And if you are out of India or US or United States or something like, $0 means it's completely for free. It's 70 rupees means it's just $10 or something, right? Because it's 70 rupees $1. So it's just $10 and just very low, means it's very cheap, right, for you. So let me show you what comes in the free plan and paid versions. You have to go for just for free, right, in starting. And if you make some kind of cash profits, and by the way, if you have an Instagram page, Facebook page where you have most of traffic sources, or you can say on YouTube where you have most of traffic, and you just have to put the link of that your product page, then I definitely recommend you go for the free version, right? Why? Because you don't have to pay any kind of money, and when you start making some kind of money, then then buy these or stuff if you like, and if you don't, then it's completely okay, right? So what you have to do is just make the websites and put the link, and when someone clicks on link on your Instagram page, Facebook, on YouTube, and they're going to buy, right, and you can make a personal website. And here it is. So the monthly price is 0 rupees, and on the price tags, right, transaction fees means if someone buys, they don't want to charge any kind of transaction fees, right? So it's very safe for you. Most charges 30%, right? I know a site called Shopmatic which charges 30% actually, which is very high. So it's perfect. So it's giving you an online store, but here on paid version is giving you Facebook shop, Instagram shop, mobile point on sale, and marketplaces also. Here it include marketplace means Amazon, eBay, and all this kind of stuff, right? So what is mobile point of sale which is giving? It's like, means on my phone here, on my phone, if someone if someone comes to me in person and I just show them, I have to sell something to them, then I can add the sale in my CRM also, right, on my net. That's perfect thing. It also includes it gives you Facebook advertisement, Google advertisement, Pinterest, and Snapchat. And here is mobile responsive shopping cart. It means every product is mobile responsive, which is very good thing actually, right? And all this stuff. Here you get 10 products in a free version, and it's in this you get 100 and 250 products, and in paid version you get unlimited access, right? That's what it is. And actually it's simple. So I think we should directly jump on the things, right? So you got Blogger, Tumblr, Adobe, Joomla, Weekly, all these things, right? So let's start. So when you just put it in login here and just go to the promoter window, that thing pops up, right? Here it is. Step first is you have to choose your online store name and country and currency, right? It's here. Let's put it something great. Can you suggest me some kind of name? Let's type YouTube. YouTube store, right? See, country, if you can find India. If you don't, you can find United States actually. Here it is. And you can change currency to the US dollars if you want. If you don't want, it's everything accepted, right? And most of the countries in here is accepted, right? So you don't need to take any kind of tensions here. Dollar comes in D, right? Where the shit is. Here it is, right? US dollars, and you put the next. It's very simple to build the website, right? And actually, the main point is you have to put city and put everything, right? No issue at all. I'm just putting anything out, right? Here it is. State. Then you choose anything, and that's all. No issues at all, right? You have to put right actually, right? Tell us a little more about yourself. Do you already have an experience in selling online? I'm just getting started. Whatever product should be selling. So here is the options. You can sell many products at all, right? Automotive, food, beverage, jewelry, home furniture, adult, toys, tobacco, pet care, right? So just choose anything. I did jewelry. I just to someone else. No, it's for if you're delivering this for yourself or someone else. Yes, I'm delivering for it for a client, right? Next. Do you have a website? What it means is if you have a website, like if I have a blog kind of website or something, like if I have a blog which is already running, right? So I can add these things to that website which makes it e-commerce, right? It means Ecwid is an extension actually, you can say, which is also providing you a website. If you don't have it providing you a website, if you have already a website, you can add this extension to everything, right? That's what it is. I don't have a website, so I put it no, and just so this gives me websites and gives a domain name, right? yourstore.company.site. Which this is the link you have to put on your Instagram page and anything, right? And it's all starts, right? By the way, you have to make the site, right? It means you have to put the words, images, and everything so correct. You have to make this copy, right? The sales copy so perfect such that your customers will directly buy these things, right? This doesn't comes into it, right? It in these things, this Ecwid doesn't come any kind of role, right? Play any role. You have to do these things. Right? So you have to add the products, review regions. Let's visit some sites. Here it is. Right, it's very perfect, right? There has ready-made templates, so you can use that thing, so we have no problems at all. Here it is. You can see how perfect it is, right? It's looking so dashing, right? Here you can add your sites and all these things stuff, right? Here you can add 10 products limits, and it's looking so cool, right? So add these products which you really want to sell it out, right? If you have an Instagram page, you want to sell just 10 products, choose 10 which is really selling, right? Because you have a limit right now. So use 80-20 principles, which tells you 80% of the products, 20% of products, which is giving you 80% of profits, right? Use that strategy and choose what's selling, right? What's hot at that time. So this is the site. Let's make it clear also, right? In dashboard, website settings, you can put some kind of things actually, I think here. It's take some time, it's editor, and right, it's time taking actually, but you have to build it. If you are serious about it, you have to build it. It's simple, just click and drag and drop kind of system here. What's happening? I just see header, nothing. Yeah, here something here. Here you can put your logo and you can put your test. Like I just put in your YouTube, so I just put it YT shirts, right? It's perfect. Here it is, right? That's all. If you want, you can put here your own logo, right? Then you can give it back. Phone and email here. So when someone clicks here, they go to your phone and email, right? You can put it whatever you want. Here is perfect, right? And add action link. Action link means if someone clicks it, they go to your page, right? If you have a website or something like that, it's also perfect. Design means if you want to set colors and all this stuff, right? Bold, make bold, and right? Cart icon, if you change this also, all this stuff, right? By the way, it's perfect, I think. Head cover means all this stuff, right? So you can change this image, you can edit the descriptions, right? Site headline here. Buy now the teas. Right. Your tagline, right? Tagline is what? Live the world. It's so simple. You can do anything, right? You can put order now button here. Just click in on all this stuff, right? It's very simple. You don't have to put any kind of about stuff, customer testimonial. So you can put store means this things changes, right? If you want, you can remove this also too, right? You just have to upload the products, descriptions, and variants and all this stuff. 10 products is a limit. Remember that, right? About us page, just this is here. That's what this is about. So you have to edit all of these things according to you, so that your customers will buy these things. let me know these things first, right? And just save and publish, and all this stuff is clear, right? If I want, I can also make the site. Just put a save and publish and see on the site. Wait, yeah, it's published. Just refresh it, and you're gonna see here something. And that's your site's URL, right? The whitey shirts. By the now you can change this thing, and you're looking so professional, yeah. Just completely for free. You're getting this for lifetime actually. What's better than that? If you don't have time, just start this. And actually, let me check it for you. Responsiveness, right? So here it is. So as you are seeing, it's responsive also. So in Android, it looks like this. It's perfect actually. It's responsive actually also. I think that's perfect thing, right? Ecwid doesn't pay me, and I'm so small YouTuber that Ecwid doesn't ever going to pay me, right? Don't take any attention. If you want this site, I put the link in the description. Please check out. And if you want more kind of this kind of stuff, please tell me. And if you have problem in these things, I will here to help you, right? So tell me this here this comes. Here's the footer, the last step right here. So you can put the copyright of our company and all these stuff, right? It's very perfect. I'm saying you can add some blog. If you want to add something else like intro and all this stuff, you can add to this. They changed it. It's so perfect that you never know, right? Here it is. You just have to click it and it's added here. And just for free, you are getting all this stuff. I'm so jealous of you. You just have to get it. By the way, it has some limitations. Let me tell you limitations also, right? So what happening is in a free version, it tells that you cannot actually, here it is here. You cannot show you this websites on Google search, right? It doesn't comes in a Google search. You can do a perfect SEO of products and sites. I just tried it, and that's what things which disappoints me, right? This is what. Otherwise, it's perfect. If you want something, you can just check it out here. They're not just making you fools. They tell everything which you covers up in this and here, right? They're not giving these three things in here, right? They are not doing every manager of live chat, inventory management, advanced SEO, abandoned carts, wholesale groups, product filters, product variations, eBay integrations, creative products. All this is not included, right? Chat support and everything. By the way, Ecwid is a big platform, so you have a support for free on YouTube, right? And actually, here it is. These platforms you can include means if you can integrate all of these platforms very good means if you make a site on Wix or Weebly or WordPress and you forget to add these kind of things means so you can add this simple if you have a blog or something like right. I added this shit on my blogger, right? Google's blogger for free actually. It's perfect actually, right? I think that's all for now. And if you want more of this kind of content, I am ready to for you. Just order me and I'm going to make for you. I think that's all right now. Bye bye. And if you want to make money, then just I put some kind of videos and just first of all follow me, subscribe me actually, right? Okay. I think bye bye.